Once upon a time, in a distant kingdom shrouded by mist and ancient magic, there lived a young and beautiful princess named Elara. Her beauty was known far and wide, but it was her kindness and wisdom that made her beloved by her people. Her golden hair shimmered in the sunlight, and her eyes held the deep, serene blue of the ocean, but behind her radiant smile lay a heart heavy with secrets. Elara was engaged to Prince Alistair, a valiant warrior from a neighboring kingdom. Their marriage was meant to unite their lands, bringing peace to a region long torn by war. But not all in the kingdom welcomed this union. In the shadows of the grand palace, a web of treachery and envy grew thicker with each passing day. Among those who despised the princess was Lady Isolde, a distant cousin of the royal family, known for her cunning and ambition. She had long coveted the throne, and with Elara set to become queen, her hopes of power were dashed. She saw Elara not as the kingdom's future, but as a threat to her own ambitions. One stormy night, when the castle was asleep and the howling winds masked the whispers in the dark, Lady Isolde put her plan into motion. She had enlisted the help of a mercenary, a man known only as the Raven, infamous for his skill in killing without leaving a trace. Together, they hatched a plot to rid the kingdom of its beloved princess. That night, Princess Elara sat by her window, staring out at the darkened landscape, her thoughts consumed by the weight of the crown that would soon rest upon her head. Unbeknownst to her, the Raven was already inside her chambers, moving silently as a shadow. He crept closer, a dagger glinting in his hand, but just as he raised his blade to strike, a piercing scream echoed through the corridors of the castle. It wasn't the scream of the princess, but of one of the maids, who had unwittingly stumbled upon the scene. The Raven turned in a flash, but it was too late. The palace guards stormed into the room, swords drawn, and a fierce battle erupted. In the chaos, Princess Elara, though terrified, fought for her life. She grabbed a shard of broken glass from a nearby vase and, with trembling hands, plunged it into the Raven's side. He collapsed, but before he died, he whispered something that chilled her blood. "It was not me. She sent me. Lady Isolde." The revelation shook the kingdom. Lady Isolde was arrested and confessed to her crime, though she showed no remorse. "I only did what was necessary," she hissed. She was weak, unfit to rule. I would have been a queen of power, not of mercy. The people, outraged by the treachery, demanded justice. Lady Isolde was sentenced to death, and her name was forever cursed in the kingdom's history. But the damage had been done. Though Elara survived, she was forever changed. She ascended to the throne, but her heart was heavy with sorrow. The knowledge that her own blood had sought to murder her weighed on her every decision, and the kingdom that had once been filled with light now seemed cloaked in a lingering darkness. In time, she became a wise and just ruler, but she was never the same. The memory of that fateful night haunted her dreams, and the shadow of betrayal hung over her reign like a dark cloud. And so, the tale of Princess Elara's near murder became a legend, a grim reminder that even in the most beautiful of kingdoms, darkness can creep into the hearts of those closest to you.